Starting in 2019, Head Genève began exploring the new generation of artificial intelligence, principally through its Master in Media Design program.
Our approach to these technologies is as critical practitioners. We try to understand how they work, their impact on art and design, and how they risk impacting society in general.
Boom! Wow! Focus! Go, go, go!
Within the current context of rising job insecurity, AI has already started to impact multiple creative practices. Artists and designers need to develop critical lucidity of this new reality, while simultaneously developing strategies in which AI can be seen as a new conceptual medium.
Beyond all the hype and panic, the implicit question in this era of accelerated change is not whether AI will replace creatives, but rather how these technologies will transform the creative process.
In 2023, as the latest generation of AI exploded into general consciousness, Head Genève implemented an AI action plan through pedagogical projects, faculty training, and research.
A new weekly interdisciplinary bachelor course was launched in September 2023, addressing critical and practical issues of generative AI.
In parallel, each department began integrating their own theoretical and practical approaches to exploring the inherent difficulties and risks of teaching AI.
Through its continuing education program, Head Genève offers training courses for staff, as well as a 4-day module open to external practitioners, and led by leading artists and designers in the field of creative AI.
In this evolving context, it is urgent that we teach critical digital culture literacy, for AI is a source of many fantasies and false promises.
Many of these issues were addressed in April 2024 at the International Symposium Assembling Intelligence, which brought together researchers, artists, and designers from around the world.
Through our research institute, several faculty projects have been exploring the new modalities of AI.
Completed in 2023, the research project, Design and Machine Learning, examined the spectrum of current and potential implications of machine learning for design practices.
This resulted in a series of interviews with artists and designers across Europe, a multi-platform theoretical essay, a series of posters dialoguing with AI, and a website enhanced by ChatGPT.
Another research project, Manual of Automation, conducted in partnership with the École de Condé in Paris, documented 5 practical exercises to facilitate the learning of AI.
In the field of moving images, the ongoing research project, Playable Cinema, uses AI to cross-reference video games and feature films in a new hybrid form of interactive image analysis.
Lastly, the project Datacraft explores the creation of personalized datasets for artists and designers, using localized and individualized collections and models of images, video, text, and 3D.
These research projects, along with work from multiple departments and disciplines at Head Genève, are part of an exhibition at SwissNex San Francisco from August to November 2024.
Assembling Intelligence, Hybrid Strategies for AI, Art and Design brings together diverse approaches that do not oppose the old and the new, instead seeking a form of lateral thinking in an era of ever-accelerating technological change.
Just so you know, all the voices you heard were generated by AI, and most of the music was generated by AI too.